Niger Delta people cannot forget. A father that we cannot get. A father that we cannot replace, because it's only God that can give us somebody who can replace Ike Clark again. Because Ike Clark, irrespective of who you are, he will tell you the way it is. He has nobody in mind he specially loves or he specially hates. He loves everybody. He's a father to all, a father for everybody. He has spoken. He's an outspoken person. He's somebody that, if you know him, you will love to always be with him. He's a father that we miss. We in Niger Delta, we have missed him so much. And short, we cannot forget him. I love him so much. I miss him so much. He's a father. And may God Almighty, may his soul rest in peace wherever he is. He's a father. And wherever he is, he should bring another Ike Clark to the Niger Deltas. We will be so happy. Thank you and God bless you.
Well, first of all, I'm happy, and we're all happy, seeing the assemblage of leaders across the country here who are here to celebrate the life and times and the services of Pa Clark. He did a lot for my people, the Jaw people, the people of the Niger Delta, but also for all Nigerians of goodwill who want a Nigeria that is equal, a Nigeria that is free for all, a Nigeria that is united, a Nigeria that is just and united and peaceful. So we thank him for his life of service and courage to our people. Well, Pa Clark, everybody knew him as a very courageous person, selfless person. So there are a lot of lessons he taught about service and about courage, and about the need for us to build bridges of understanding. I mean, you can see from the people assembled here and from all their reactions since his death. Thank you very much.